Now, Jamaica's esports team is oozing confidence ahead of their debut appearance at the Global Esports Games in Singapore this weekend. Simon Preston has that story.
National champion Nicholas Chinloy will be Jamaica's representative at the championship and will be playing Street Fighter V. Chinloy outlines his expectations for the tournament.
It's an honor to represent Jamaica again on the international stage, and I look forward to do so again in the future. Well, the goal is to always to win and walk away with the championship, but I'll be happy with top 8. I've been training every day, so I've definitely put the work in.
Vice President of the Jamaica Esports Initiative, Andrew Johnson, feels Chinloy has had solid preparation for the championship.
Nicholas has been training tirelessly, and we've made all resources available to prepare him for the competition that he'll be facing at the Global Esports Games. But I'm also aware of the fact that this will be Nicholas's first international event since the start of the pandemic. So my hope is that he is going to use the experience he gained in local tournaments to help propel him, not only to give a good account of himself, but also to show Jamaica's growth where competitive esports is concerned.
Johnson hopes Jamaica's debut participation will open the door for other Jamaicans.
This is going to improve our chances for future events by gaining much needed exposure, of course, and my hope is that we'll be able to send a much bigger contingent to the next staging of the Global Esports Games.
Jamaica will be one of 92 countries participating at the championships. The tournament is set to run from December 18 to 19. This is Jamaica's second global event after playing at the Esports World Cup last year. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.